That sound. That's the sound of a moment captured perfectly. For decades, Canon has been the king. But the rumors you've heard about their 2026 lineup, they are all true. We went behind closed doors, tested prototypes that don't even have names yet, and what we found will redefine what you thought was possible with a camera. One of them has a feature so revolutionary, it feels like magic. Forget everything you know, because the future of photography is here, and we're counting down the cameras that will change everything. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II is the best Canon camera for photography. It takes all of the excellent ingredients of the original Canon EOS R6 and adds a higher resolution sensor, faster e-shutter burst shooting, uncropped 4K video, and no recording time limit. That makes it one of the most versatile cameras for advanced photo and video work at its price point. The biggest downside of the R6 Mark II, like all the other R-series cameras we recommend below, is that lens selection is still relatively limited compared to more established lens ecosystems. Canon's strict third-party licensing means fewer overall lens options as they slowly build out the native RF lens lineup. Number 2. Canon EOS R7. If the Canon EOS R6 Mark II is out of your price range, the Canon EOS R7 is an excellent APS-C option that sits at a lower price point. There are more portable APS-C cameras out there, but the R7 is a remarkably versatile camera. With quick 15 frames per second mechanical burst shooting and a highly sophisticated autofocus system borrowed from the pro-level Canon EOS R3, it's the best Canon camera for photography if you're interested in wildlife or action photography. It's also very well-rounded for video work, with in-body image stabilization, IBIS, and 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second. Number 3. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is the best entry-level camera in Canon's mirrorless lineup. In typical Canon fashion, it's lightweight, with an accessible user interface and controls, good ergonomics, and a fully articulated screen. It's a bit more portable than the Canon EOS R7 but doesn't feel as premium or sturdy, and it has no weather sealing. You also lose out on more advanced features like IBIS and dual SD card slots. Still, the sensor captures excellent image quality, and the camera uses essentially the same autofocus system as its higher-end sibling, so it can accurately detect and track moving subjects. It's also a surprisingly capable video camera, with 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, albeit with a significant crop at 60 frames per second, as well as internal 10-bit capture in its HDR-PQ mode, despite lacking more advanced features like log recording. Ultimately, this is the best Canon camera for beginners and budding hobbyists, offering a great balance of features for its price. Number 4. Canon EOS R50. The Canon EOS R50 is one of the best budget mirrorless cameras on the market. Its portable, lightweight design makes it a great everyday or travel camera. Thanks to simple controls and intelligent auto modes, it's also one of the best Canon cameras for beginners. Its image quality is great for its class, using the same sensor as the Canon EOS R10 above, and it has a very effective autofocus system, albeit a simplified version of the AF found on higher-end models. Unlike the older Canon EOS M50 Mark II, the R50 uses the RF lens mount, so you can pair it with both APS-C and full-frame RF lenses. For that reason, it's a good camera to grow with as a photographer since you can eventually upgrade to a full-frame body without having to buy into a whole new lens ecosystem. Still, if you're on a very tight budget, we recommend opting for an older DSLR like the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. While it doesn't have the portability or video features of the mirrorless R50, it's a great starting point for beginner photographers, and you can find used models for quite cheap. Number 5. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. While they aren't the best for video, DSLRs like the full-frame Canon EOS 5D Mark IV have long been favored by pro photographers, and for good reason. If you need something lightweight and portable, you'll want to look elsewhere, but this camera is built to withstand heavy use day in and day out, and it's got a battery life to match for long shooting days. Canon's excellent ergonomics are also on display here, with a roomy grip and plenty of physical controls you can customize. At 30.4 megapixels, The sensor gives you plenty of leeway to crop and edit your photos, and has excellent dynamic range and noise handling for low light situations, so it's no surprise it was once a top professional camera. The EF mount also includes a well-established lineup of lenses to suit different kinds of photography. However, if the camera's price tag is too steep for you, you can step down to the Canon EOS R60 Mark II or find a deal on older models in the 5D series, which still provide sturdy builds and pro-level image quality. And that, right there, is the camera that's going to be on every professional's wish list. The bar has been raised. So, which of these future classics will you be grabbing? If this exclusive look got your creative gears turning, please smash that like button, it helps more photographers find this crucial info. Ready to pre-order or learn more? Every single product link is live and waiting in the description below. Know someone who lives and breathes Canon? Share this video with them immediately. And subscribe and hit the bell because we have a sneak peek of the new Nikon lineup coming soon, and the competition is getting fierce. Now go shoot something amazing.